Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Dib, and today we're going to show you 370 FB. It's made by the Alliance Paradigm. This coach is unique in total, the way they built it, all the ideas it was behind it. That you got the, of course, auto level, all hydraulics. You got big basement, the strong stairs, the nice awning, really nice ambiance. So let's go inside and show you more. All right, folks, here we are inside the FB, which is the front bath. This one got a bath and a half, pretty handy. As you can see, we go around now the kitchen, and we got the pantry, really nice pantry. Fridge is in the right spot, really, four-door, fridge. And here we go into the kitchen. You can tell the difference between the colors. They made the kitchen light, kind of living room, kind of darker a little bit to get, give it kind of separation. Of course, you can't miss this residential oven, very impressive. And counters both sides. You got cabinets everywhere. You got the nice island with this big, huge sink. And of course, there's your TV and then the fireplace, which got more storage actually. Very clever storage behind the fireplace. Nice couch. You got USB ports on both sides. You got lots of cabinets on top. Big, huge window. Those windows are nice. You can see the view. You can see outside. And then to the, of course, the love seat or the two recliners, where the TV is in the right spot. Sometimes it's in an angle. This one is really on the right spot. Really nice design here for the dining table with nice chairs. And then you can look down. There's no carpet. So if you look at anywhere in the slides, you're not going to be jamming your toe. No surprises there. So this is pretty cool. Let's go up into the bedroom and look at this. We can have a walk around bed. You got kind of sit down, kind of stool in a way. You can take your shoes off, what have you. Lots of dressers, big windows. Go into the bathroom. This is elbow room. This is nice. I mean, it means a lot. I don't know if you camped before or not, but this room is really needed. All right, folks, here we are outside now, and again, this is the Alliance, really unique, as you noticed. There's a lot of information available. Please give me a call at 541-515-1237. Thank you.